Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let us write the problem statement. So we have to print the characters in the series A, capital B, C, capital D, E, capital F, and so on, Z. So the problem is we have to print the characters. One letter is small a and one letter is capital B and small c and capital D. So you have to print the first letter small letter and the second letter should be capital letter. So simple. So we have to print this series. It is an easy program. So I hope you understand the problem. So let us write the code. So import java dot util dot star. So here the user input is not required. So let us before that I want to tell you the ASCII values. I want to tell you the ASCII values. So in the previous classes, I have told you this. So ASCII values. So each letter will have the ASCII values. So starting from 97 to Z is 122. So the ASCII value for A is 97. The ASCII values for B is 98, and so on. For the ASCII value for Z is 122. So each letter will have the numeric character. Sorry, a numeric number for the each character. So I hope you understand. So each character will have the number, the ASCII value. So each character will have the ASCII value. So this number is called ASCII value. So with this number, I will write this program. So each character will have the ASCII value, the integer value. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, so please repeat this video, like please watch the video again. So each character will have the integer value, and that integer value is called ASCII value. So I hope you understand what is ASCII value. So let us write the for loop. So character ch, I'm using character variable is equal to 97. So character should be less than or equal to 122. And character should be plus plus. So we are starting from the character 97. 97 and we are going up to till 122, means up to Z. So we are traversing. So what we are doing? Traversing. We are starting from 97. So what is 97A? So this is a number, that's it. It's a number, but how we convert that number into character is the solution. So I will write this condition. If ch mod 2. So ch mod 2. Why I'm writing ch mod 2? See here. So every second character is capital letter, which means every second character is a even number. So that's why I'm writing ch mod 2 is equal to 0. So here I'm writing even number logic. So I'm writing even number logic. So if it is even number, so then I will print the capital letter. How can I print? So character dot to uppercase. So we have the inbuilt method to uppercase ch. So char of ch. So what I'm doing is I'm converting the character dot to uppercase. So what I'm converting, see this ch. So what's the ch number, right? 97. So I'm converting that number into the character by using this char method. So I'm writing char in between closed brackets, right? So this closed bracket character will convert the ch into the number. So if it is not a even number character, we will just will print that character. That's it. So I hope you understand this question. So what I'm doing, every second character is a capital letter. So I'm checking the even number logic. So if that second character is even number, so then I'm converting the that number into the character. The ASCII number I'm converting the character. How am I converting the integer into the character? Character dot to uppercase method. And after that, if it is not an even number, I'll just print the character. How I'm printing? See here. This is a number ch. See here. Ch is a number. So how I'm converting that number to character? By using this char. So I hope you understand this problem. Understand this problem. See here. A, B, C, capital D, small e, capital F, small g, capital H, small I, capital J. So this is the small program. We have to think. So how can I solve this problem? How can I use the tools effectively? So how can I use the methods effectively? So I hope you understand this problem. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. So then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.